Why would you want a revocable trust versus an irrevocable trust when you don't have asset protection with that revocable trust? A big problem that people have with the irrevocable trust is that generally you cannot be the trustee, you cannot be the beneficiary, meaning that you have no control or benefits over the assets inside of that irrevocable trust. So if you have a house inside the irrevocable trust, you as an individual cannot go in and say, hey, I want to sell this house. I'm going to sell it and I'm going to take distributions from the proceeds of that sale and distribute them out to myself. Meaning you don't have control or benefits over the assets inside that irrevocable trust, generally speaking. And so that's a big reason that people do not like setting up the irrevocable trust. And so if you don't want to give up control or benefits over the assets and you still want to put the assets inside of a revocable trust, some of the benefits of that revocable trust are going to be that you can avoid the probate process with those assets, meaning your family saves $5,000 to $15,000 on a probate attorney and can save up to 1 to 1.5 years on the probate process. You have incapacity planning for the assets inside of that revocable trust. So in the event that you become incapacitated, you have your backup trustees can step in your role as trustee and take over the management of those assets without the court's involvement. And then you can have control over the management and distribution of the assets inside that revocable trust. So you can keep the assets inside the revocable trust and manage them on behalf of your family, or you control the distribution out to your family. Instead of giving them a lump sum like a will does, you can give them out at age-based distributions when they turn 20, 25, 30, or event-based distributions when they graduate college, get married, or buy their first home.